Which phone? Asus? What is
ZenPhone.
problem?
Hmm?
It's not getting on?
Yeah. It just shut down suddenly.
Suddenly
Then
shut down.
Never turned.
It not fell down, no? It not fell down?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me 5 minutes.
Oh, thank you.
I check, yes.
I take off the cover.
Yes, please. Yes.
Please, I'm leaving today.
Don't worry.
So if it doesn't work, I will in trouble.
Don't worry, I help you, okay? Give me 5 minutes.
Yes.
Thank you.
And I just the next shop.
Yes.
Door.
Yeah, thank you.
A few moments later.
I check, I need few more minutes.
Okay,
I need to open and I need to check.
Okay.
So you have few minutes?
Okay, yeah, I have.
Okay.
I have to have.
Okay. Take your seat.
Okay.
No, it will fix for sure.
Okay.
So I need
Thank
few
you.
minutes, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Yes, sister. Check, please.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Check. It takes like 10-20 seconds.
Yes.
Popular company Asus.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Now
know.
in India, Asus no
Taiwan.
anymore.
Yeah, it's because I come from this country.
Ah,
Taiwan.
yes.
It's my country.
We used to sell before many phones Asus in India, but now no anymore Asus here.
Yeah,
but it was
because from Korea, right? Samsung or
Yes,
China.
yes.
China's cell phone. Yeah, I know. You have tool. Could you remove this protector for
Yes.
me?
Yeah, I can.
Because I don't have the tool.
I can remove. It's very easy. Give me.
Yeah. Okay. Then I reset.
Yes.
better. Thank
You should have like this kind plastic,
car.
and and when you remove, then you need to be very careful. Huh?
Really?
Like.
Okay, I might need to prepare second one, new cell phone. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, it done.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I wishing you a very good time.
Yes.
Thank you. You come for Osho? You came?
Yeah, offshore, but I leave today.
Are you living?
Yeah,
How is Pune? You love Pune?
I love, yeah.
Very good. How was my work?
So very good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your good name?
Vanita.
Vanita, sannyasi name.
Yeah, sannyasi
Good.
name.
Very good name. Very
Yeah,
good
yeah.
name.
Okay.
Thank you, Vanita. I wishing you a
Thank
happy
you.
time and safe journey.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you all.
Bye.